The Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development, Mmamoloko Kubayi, launches the National Wills Week, which runs from today until the 19th of September, offering members of the public free assistance with drafting basic wills through participating attorneys nationwide. Let's actually cross to our reporter live, who is there. It's Nosipho Radebe. She's there to cover this one for us. So wills, it's always something we speak about, but it's very rarely that people actually have their own will, and it's such an important document. So talk to us, Nosipho. Good morning to you.
A very good morning to you, Leanne, and a very good morning to the viewers. Of course, many families are torn apart when loved ones die without a will, and National Wills Week is about changing that, helping families get access and education around that. And so to help us really unpack the launch then of National Wills Week, I'm turning now to the Justice Minister, Mmamoloko Kubayi. Minister, thank you so much for your time. As we pointed out, National Wills Week in full swing from today. Talk to us then about what is the department doing for access and education for families?
No, thank you very much, and good morning to you and the viewers at home. Definitely, as the Department of Justice, one of the issues about our work is to make sure that there's access to services that are needed mostly. As we say, the Wills Week, it's about those who are supposed to have the will and they leave their families in distraught, because you find families fighting, and sometimes even the children being left vulnerable because of a lack of will, or even a testament that says this is how things should be done and how they should be done and who needs to benefit for what. We hear stories of children being kicked out of their parents' homes when their parents have passed away because the aunts, the uncles, the grandmothers have kicked them out. And without a will, I mean, the will allows for that person to be able to, as a parent, to protect your children. So it's important in that way. And that's why part of what we do with programs like this in this week, where we provide free services, it's also about advocacy work, so that we can promote what the department is able to provide as services with partners, obviously, and these are things that you can do with various stakeholders, law firms, and all that within the Master's Office. So we do the work in advocating for what we need to do, but also educating. When I put this on my social media, a lot of people actually didn't know that the Department of Justice provide the services. So you get people asking you, oh, by the way, what does Master's Office do? So you start explaining, and part of what we are doing is to also make sure that people understand that Master's Office is the office that is a government program, department that does the services, because people think that it's the private sector sometimes, or it's lawyers that can be only to do that. The letters of authority when somebody has passed away and all those things. And we see those things because we are the department. When we have to issue letter of authority, then you find a lot of fights, a lot of people having counter affidavits against another. So it's those things. So we're making it easy so that the estates can be wrapped up in a very dignified way for anyone who passes away.
All right, Minister, we're going to have to leave it there, but thank you so much for pointing out really the work of the department.
No, thank you very much, and many more people can visit our website, can visit Master's offices, and also for those who are public representatives, we've decided to put the desks in all the legislatures across the country.
All right, we'll leave it there with the Minister, Justice Minister there, Mmamoloko Kubayi, talking to us about National Wills Week and really the work that the department is putting in to ensure access to many families then whose loved ones pass without a will. What is the education around that and what they can do? But for now, Leanne, it's back to you in studio.
Thanks very much. Thanks for that, Nosipho.